Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about the website Passion Footwear Reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, this is from United States and Canada. Let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Over this website, you can shop women's shoes. So this is the world's first fully convertible heel. So you can convert heels to flats in seconds. Here you can see the products, all type of shoes. You can convert the heels to flats and flats to heel shoes. So as you can see here, the products, like you can shop block heel styles, stiletto heel styles, so many products along with their reasonable price. You can check in their official website. So let's go to the payment option. They receive payment by Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa, etc. Let's go to the shipping policy. They do free shipping on all orders within US above $75. So delivery is estimated within 5 to 10 business days for US orders, and they also have international shipping. So guys, let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to bring many more informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. This website is protected by HTTPS. That means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 1st February 2017 and expires on 1st February 2024. That means it is a quite old website and registered for a longer period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. Here you get few information about this website, and also you can see the founder and owner of this website as it is given here. So let's go to the contact address. So here you don't see any physical address or phone number to contact, but if you go to FAQs, you can have an email ID info@passionfootwear.com. So let's go to the social media presence. It is available on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. I can see there are many visitors to this website. It is a quite famous website. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So they have free exchanges and prepaid returns for all domestic US orders. They accept return within 30 days of the delivery date. So if you return the products on time, they do full refund. But refund will not be issued for orders, international orders, and they charge shipping fees, duties and other taxes also. Let's go to the customer reviews. So reviews are updated in the website. As you can see here, they have given 4.5 stars. So all the reviews are positive. Most of the people say that the product is very good, they are comfortable and they are quite happy with the products. And if you Google it also, I can see there are so many reviews. They say that it is perfectly fitting, amazing, comfortable heel and wedding shoes for the brides. So easy to wear, and it is a classic professional fit with lot of colors. So it is a lovely collection. So there are so many positive reviews, and there are few reviews they also say that the company, they don't respond well and they refuse to accept the returns, but most of the reviews are positive here. So the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are well specified, and I can say the duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is possibly a legit website because I can see there are so many positive points, and I also advise you to check all the points in the website before buying any products, before making any selection. So do your own research effectively. So friends, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.